On today's body cam, we're checking out, here's why you don't bring a pit bull to Walmart.
In this BCW video, we're taking a look at an incident that happened in Orlando on April 9th, 2025, when police had been called about an aggressive dog at Walmart.
What's going on today?
Okay.
Somebody called and said your dog's biting people?
He is.
Okay. Where's the people that got bit?
3108, you just sent 12 unit check?
You have no idea where they went?
2122.
What, you can't talk or nothing? What's wrong with you? Okay. Are you bit?
I don't know. Do you want to see?
Can you just tell me if you're bit? You can't tell me?
Hey, stop.
Come here. You're not going anywhere. You're going to stay here. Okay, that's
Hey,
fine.
I want to file a report.
Okay. Can you just stop?
Sit.
Okay. Okay.
Hey,
Who did your dog bite?
somebody. All right.
Hold the dog with your both hands on the leash, please. What?
Why?
Because I said so.
She's acting weird, isn't she?
If your dog comes at me and tries to bite me, I'm going to kill it.
You're going to kill my dog.
If it comes at me and bites me,
You're going to kill my dog?
do I speak another language that you don't understand?
Think so. You said you were going to kill my dog.
Yes, if your dog bites me, I will. Okay?
All right.
Let's grow up a little bit. Let's act like adults, okay?
All right.
You want to hold on to your dog?
I got it.
Okay, I don't think you want to play these games, okay?
I got my dog.
Good. What's going on here? Why am I at Walmart today?
3110.
Go ahead. Well, I'll need another unit here. This dog owner's not going to be cooperative.
Dispatch would send 4 units, along with animal services.
Okay, I'll be with you in a little bit, okay?
All I said is you better have.
Who got bit? Who got bit?
2 people already.
Okay.
Another gentleman in the store.
Okay. Where'd you get bit, sir?
I got the video.
Okay.
I got bit in this.
Okay, do you want an ambulance? Do you want an ambulance, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to file a report too.
Okay, you can do that with animal services, okay?
You can't file a report?
We don't do that. That's animal services that'll handle that.
I was attacked.
What's that?
I was attacked. Send the video to me, please.
The victim would explain that he'd been walking outside with his cart of groceries when the dog turned and bit him on the butt. He'd also tell the officer he'd seen another man get bit near the entrance.
Well, he was at that. Yeah.
What your shirt say?
See, the problem is that with these animals, people like pit bulls just because they think they're cool and stuff like that, or also like the cane corsos and stuff like that. But it takes a certain type of owner to have those type of dogs. Anybody cannot just have those type of dogs, and they have to be trained. They have to be worked on. You have to constantly be training these dogs, every day, working with them, you know what I mean? So that way they can go out in public and all of these things, but people do not know, how to train their dogs. So if your dog is wild, no way should that dog be in an environment around other people. Or let's say, your dog is aggressive towards other dogs, right? You shouldn't take your dog to the doggy park, right? Things like that. But clearly this woman she's not right upstairs. You could tell something's a little off about her. And, so she doesn't have the capabilities, in my opinion. She doesn't have the capabilities to be able to handle a dog of that type of magnitude.
I got your back.
Okay.
Dumbass.
Okay, we'll have the ambulance come check you out, okay? All right.
You dumb as.
Can you stop talking
I'm
like
not
that?
talking to you, am I?
Can you stop talking to other people like that? Why are you yelling? Can you act like an adult? Can you act like an adult?
You don't talk to me like that. Are you my mom?
You ain't gonna
Are
do.
you my dad?
You ain't gonna do shit about it. Tighten up. Tighten up. Okay.
Tighten up.
That pole snuck up on you, didn't it?
Yeah.
You done bit 3 people. Look out.
Don't know. Go ahead and do that, all right?
Wow.
All right, we'll have the fire department come check you out,
Did you see
okay?
the video?
The animal services will handle all of that when they come out here, okay?
Animal service will handle
See?
all of that.
Look, I was just walking by and the damn dog bit me
You
in the
see
neck.
the camera? You better see
And there's
the
a camera right
and
here,
there's
too.
a camera right there, too. Yeah. You on camera. You see me on camera.
Look, your dog is out of control.
And your mama is out of control.
My mama's dead.
And my mama big.
Once additional units started to arrive, The officers tried to keep the woman away from the store's entrance as they waited for animal services.
What y'all finna do with me?
Stay in the center of the mulch with the dog. You're here with the dog, right?
Duh, don't you see my
So
dog?
you're stuck here with the dog, so stand right there.
Girl, I don't give a
Stand in the middle of the mulch with the dog.
Let's go. Sit. Sit.
Hey, can I get your name and date of birth?
Hey, you can't get a thing.
Look at that. Dog doesn't even follow simple commands. Simple commands. That sit is very simple. That's like a basic. That's basic. So if your dog can't listen to you for something as simple as that, sit, paw, all of these type of basic lay down, all the basic commands, no way are you training it to to be around people and stuff like that.
I'm asking your name and date of birth.
Can't get a thing.
Why not?
That's the type of dog, if you feed it food or whatever, it might have food aggression and you can't put your hand in the bowl after you done gave the dog food. It might snap at you. That's the type of dog I could tell right then and there. Once you get that dog food, if you go near it, it's going no. You supposed to nip all of that in the butt, man. Nip all of that in the butt. And it starts by, you having a dog as a puppy and you hand feeding it, you know what I'm saying, throughout out your hand and everything like that. Like you gotta know how to handle these dogs, man.
You can't get shit. Play hot boy and then you can get the away from me. That's what you do. You and you. Racist ass cop. I don't know my name. Baby, you should be on research. Do I got a car? Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to see it?
Sure, is it here?
No.
Oh, you walk here, okay.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
I told you to stay over here.
And I told you to stay right there.
Man, you understand you're not.
I understand everything.
Good, very good, thank you. So you'll know to just stand right over here.
And I know you
Appreciate
better
it.
get back.
I don't think you want to play with me.
Yeah, I don't think you want to go down that road.
Sit. Down. 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 Hey. Down.
Can you please get your dog into the mulch? Thank you. Let's get out of the road. That's all I'm asking. Perfect. You stay in the mulch. Come on. Where are you going? Holy shit.
It's gonna be a bang guy. Don't let a bang guy get your feet on the Girl, let me get her so early.
Alright, so we gotta freaking grab her
Yeah, I don't
when
want to
when he grabs the dog.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Hey,
Hey,
come back. Where are you going?
where are you going?
Where are you going?
Where?
I told you to stand here.
And I told you to stand here.
We're not doing that.
And we're not doing it.
Hey, look at me right now.
Keep your dog there. You stay right there. All right? That's all. That's all we're doing.
Don't touch
All right.
Don't touch him.
All right.
Don't touch him.
You got it?
Don't touch him.
Stop.
Taking this up.
Hey.
Put your hands behind your
All
back
right.
until we get this sorted out.
All
Cut
right.
your shit.
Yeah.
Lighten up.
Okay.
I got it. Good. You got it?
Yeah.
Got it?
You better move back. Back.
On a belt.
Back. Drake. Get back. Draco. Draco.
Undo this.
Draco.
Stay here.
Draco.
It.
Draco.
Oh, it's around her waist.
Draco. Get.
Who's got a knife or scissors? We're just gonna go this way.
There you go.
I'm gonna have to hold this now. Can you cut it?
The leash or the rope?
Just cut the whole thing. You're good.
Give me my shoes real quick.
Don't go near.
No, yeah, I'm not going there
My shoes real quick.
until your dog is
Hey, give me my shoes real quick.
until your dog gets away from the shoes.
You shouldn't have kicked him off.
There you go. Now you can get your shoes.
Just so we get some.
It's not very nice.
You not very nice.
I know I'm not.
Where you going?
Everywhere. You.
After the officers placed her into the patrol vehicle, they continued to try and get her personal information.
Ma'am, quick question for you.
No. See.
Are you diagnosed with any mental illnesses?
See, you see me, bitch? Do I see you? Yes. See.
Are you diagnosed with any mental illnesses?
See.
Have you had anything to drink today?
Z, bitch, Z.
What
You
is
see a Z? A Z. That means Z, and Z away from me. That's what that means. Z, bitch, Z.
How old are you?
Z.
See, and I want to just show you guys something real quick, man. Look, these are two dog channels that I like to watch, and I don't even have a dog, right? But if you want to learn something about training some dogs, man, this guy right here, man, I've been watching this guy for years, man. Let me see. This dude right here, I've been watching him for years and years and years. Everything. Like, he got multiple channels or whatever. But dog training and stuff like that. And then another channel that I like to watch is this guy right here, man. I think he was like he training canines and stuff like that, or police dogs and everything like that or whatever. But he teaches good information, how to get your dog to stop biting you, and little puppy bites and everything. Like, these two channels right here, you will know how to train your dog properly. This is all. You don't have to go out and get you a dog trainer and all that stuff. Listen, YouTube has everything. YouTube has everything nowadays, man. If you want to train your dog, watch those channels, man. Just go on YouTube. Simple. The only thing a lot of these dog owners, they know how to do is, sit, paw. Man, if you don't get out of here with that, every dog needs good training, man. Can your dog walk off a leash? Not saying that it should, but can it though? And stay by you? Can you walk to the park, let your dog go play, you call it, and it comes right back to you? At command? Can you tell your dog to sit, stay? You walk off, the dog does nothing, stays still for you to come back? Now that's impressive. That's some impressive stuff, man. This chick right here, man, she getting people seriously hurt. She shouldn't own no dogs, period.
Z.
He's a nut job.
Yeah. I'm asking you a simple question. Okay, so you're pretending like you're crazy, but you're not.
I'm crazy.
Are you intoxicated right now?
Very.
How much you have to drink?
Drink? I don't drink.
What do you smoke?
Well, what do you smoke?
I don't smoke anything. What do you smoke?
Tensions on to Walmart, Orlando Market right now. Right now.
What's the seat? What's that?
That's my sister. Where's the dog?
Draco,
dog bit
he's going with animal control. He's bit 4 people, so.
Raya, what the
Okay, yeah, I'll
Talk to her.
Yeah. Just roll the window up.
Yeah.
Can I ask you a question? We're trying to figure out what's to do right here.
God.
Is your sister?
Yeah.
How old is your sister?
She's 18.
Okay.
The officer charged the woman with resisting without violence. She pled no contest and was sentenced to 3 months of probation and ordered to attend anger management. Animal Services also gave her 2 citations and mandated she attend a responsible pet owner class.
You want to listen to music?
Yeah.
It's gonna be my music though. I'm sorry.
Why? What's your name?
Evil scheme.
I don't like you.
If you can't swim.
Subscribe, let the 808 slide.